Looking for a budget 5G smartphone that's loaded with incredible features? Vivo has just released its cheapest 5G smartphone with specs that rival flagship devices. Let's dive into the Vivo Y200 Lite 5G and see what it offers. The Vivo Y200 Lite 5G features a sleek, modern design with a stunning 6.73-inch punch-hole display that grabs your attention. It's slim, stylish, and easy to handle. Enjoy a cinematic experience with a 120 Hz refresh rate on its 6.73-inch display, bringing you vibrant colors and ultra-smooth visuals. With a resolution of 1280 by 2410 pixels, everything from videos to games looks incredible. Capture every detail with Vivo's powerful 300 megapixels camera setup, whether it's day or night. This camera is designed to take stunning photos with precision. With a massive 7000 mAh battery, the Y200 Lite 5G keeps you powered all day and beyond. No more worrying about charging throughout the day. Powering the Y200 Lite 5G is the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 processor, paired with an impressive 16 GB of RAM. This phone handles multitasking and heavy apps effortlessly. With an in-display fingerprint sensor, you can unlock your phone with just a touch. Fast, secure, and convenient. The Vivo Y200 Lite 5G is now available at a discounted price, making it one of the most affordable 5G smartphones on the market. Don't miss out on this amazing deal. If you're looking for an affordable 5G phone that delivers on performance, battery life, and camera quality, the Vivo Y200 Lite 5G is a fantastic choice. Be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know your thoughts on this device in the comments below.